Hi everyone, welcome back. This today it is dramatic. Share price of Hong Kong big tech company slump. On Tuesday, Meituan Dianping dropped 10.5%, Alibaba dropped 5.1%, Tencent dropped 4.4%, Xiaomi dropped 4.4%, Jingdong dropped 8.8%. Just in 2 days' time, Hong Kong Chinese internet companies vanished 1.5 trillion market value. What happened to these China internet companies? Is it time to buy these stocks? In today's video, we will discuss more details about this sector. Disclaimer: the video is only personal opinion, not investment recommendation. Be responsible for your own investment decision. My name is Apple Huang. I'm a technical analysis lecturer with HomniChart. So if you like to receive any posting video from me, you can subscribe my YouTube channel. If you have shares or any share stock questions, you can contact me through my WhatsApp number. Alright, firstly, let's look at the chart of Meituan. On Tuesday, yesterday, Meituan dropped by 10.5%. In fact, this is very abnormal because in the history, as you know, there's not many opportunities that Meituan drops 10%. Not only that, today it dropped another 7% as of now is 3:34 Hong Kong time. It dropped another 7%. Tencent has been consolidated for a period of time, but it break out and it has a very beautiful move rally recently until Tuesday, yesterday. Tencent it dropped by 4.4%, and today another 5.55%. All right, today this is the today's candle. Let's look at Alibaba. All right, very clear. Alibaba is more bearish comparing to Meituan Dianping and Tencent because when it reached the peak, it already have, from the chart we saw, it has already has a correction much earlier. It's already corrected for about two weeks. But yesterday, Alibaba dropped 5.1%, and this is today's candle. It gapped down and dropped by 8.28%. From the chart, Alibaba is very bearish, right? It's very bearish because it already break the yellow rainbow, the rainbow yellow line, and now this is a big gap. So we can see a gap down. So we can see the BABA is the chart is most ugly. We can also add in the volume, and we see the volume is very huge, so that indicates a lot of sellers are selling Alibaba. And we look at Jingdong. So Jingdong yesterday it dropped by 8.8%. Today it dropped another 8%, with high volume. On Tuesday, there was a news. China laid out detailed regulations for the first time to root out monopolistic practice in the internet industry. The country antitrust watchdog is seeking feedbacks on a draft of regulations that establish a framework for curbing anti-competitive behavior such as colluding on sharing sensitive consumer data, alliance that squeeze out smaller rivals, and subsidizing services at lower cost to eliminate competitors. So it's very clear that under the Alibaba ecosystem and Tencent ecosystem, they build their own alliance. All right, they build their own alliance and build their ecosystems. So that smaller rivals are very hard to compete with such huge ecosystem. And meanwhile, for example, Pinduoduo, the Pinduoduo also is one of its marketing strategy is subsidizing services, so at so much competitive cost. So consumers will most likely will purchase the goods with such subsidized price. So competitors, so it's very hard to compete with such low cost. And there's a general practice that the internet companies, they will manage their consumers' data so that they can promote based on their behavior, their favorite, the consumer's favorite. They will promote new products based on their favorite, so to increase more additional sales. Yeah, so all this will be according to the new law. All this will will curbing such behaviors. All right, so this is the first time China lay out the details of such regulations, and is if such regulation legalized, that definitely will impact the business models of the China internet companies. So a lot of their competitive advantage will be vanished. That definitely will also affect their profitability. Why? Since Tuesday, China lay out this draft, then the whole China internet companies slump. And this is very fundamental. That is the reason that the big boys, in fact, a lot of quickly sell volumes onto these China internet companies. According to the statistics, these 2 days, the China internet companies' market value vanished by 1.5 trillion. That's very serious. Some friends ask, is this the time to buy? All right, so we have to look at the chart. The stochastic KDJ it was oversold. All right, short-term oversold. However, oversold can be oversold. All right, so it's not really wise to just purchase the item. It's not very wise just jump into the market, because honestly, such legislation is fundamentally and it will change the internet companies, the operations and their business models and their profitability. So in this case, honestly, we don't see the support. where should be the fair value for the new law. If the share fall to some technical support level, that potentially there will be some supports, short-term rebound. All right. So for example, BABA. For BABA, the key support level, it has dropped to 251. In fact, it already fall below 251. It has fall below here. It already fall below 251 level. So the next potential support, it will be about 231. It will be 231. However, pay attention when it go lower to 231. If drop to 231, then we will monitor whether it's a support level, whether this is a support level, or if cannot hold, then the share will even go down further. Okay, let's look at Teng Seng. Okay, Teng Seng currently trading at 558. So it's at this level. Yeah. So if it drop below 558, then next support it will be about 500. All right. So it's already fall to this level, and the next support it will be at 501. Okay. Let's look at 美团点评. 美团点评 currently is trading at short term is oversold, and short term oversold. However, oversold, as just mentioned, oversold can be still oversold, still can go even lower. Currently, the 美团点评 trading at 275. All right, so it's still holding well at. So, but we even technically those are support levels. If touch those technical support level, we will monitor whether those support was the share price can support by those levels. So maybe touch the support level, technically it can rebound. However, if cannot hold the share price, the share can even go down further. All right. So in general, because of this, this is a nutrition change. So I think it's not time to buy China big tech company yet. It's not time at all. All right. Until we, let's say if you are holding these stocks, my view is to close the position and let the market tell us where is until the share find the support and then reverse. All right. So that's it for today. I hope my video can give you some ideas